I'm not a tree. To be going up the tree, not me. So what are you looking for, buddy? I reckon they just came straight out of these holes. There's heaps of holes here. Right, they've just come out of these holes. And they're climbing up my legs. I think you're supposed to be going up trees. God, there's so many here. This whole tree is covered in cicadas. Look at that, for example. Hard to see in the shade, but there's squillions of them. And they're all under that, on the ground over here. This fellow's still trying to climb up. Look at the light. Hello, buddy. What do you want to do when you get here? Say hello. What are you doing, mate? Okay. Let's say hello, shall we? I've never had this happen before. Oh, here we are. What are you going to do when you get up here? So, probably the worst ever made video. Where are you? God, this is useless. He's coming straight for my face. Oops, no idea how to film this one. No idea. Probably totally out of focus. Oops, up my face now. Hello, buddy. Try not to go in my ear. Oh no! Oh, no! Oopsies. That was weird. No, you're trying again. You gotta go with a tree, mate. This one. Try this. Here's a tree. There's a tree for you. Up there. That's the worst out of focus video I made ever. There you go. On your way. Oh my god. Why is my focus so crap? Time to get a new order. Okay, bye. God knows what you're going to find up there.